All right, here's our op amp, just like over here on the design. So here, coming into slot 11, it just connects straight to ground, which connects to our Arduino. Now with number 4, something similar. This connects to our positive here and back into our 5 volts, just like it says over here with 5 volts here, and then that's our ground from this side. Next we have the number 3. Number 3 is connected by our sensor over here. So these two this is the transistor. This is the IR LED. So when our hand moves close, it's gonna give a certain amount of volts. And then number 2 is gonna be the threshold from our pedometer. So this we can change depending on how close we want it or how far we want it. And then our output here is in number 1 is gonna output straight to a resistor into our LED. And yeah, so if we're close enough, this thing will light up just like that. All right, so this is measuring the voltage of our pedometer right here. We have about 300 millivolts, just as we kind of expected. Now, if I were to crank this up to allow a lower threshold, a lower amount of volts going through our 2 slot in our OP amp, then you can see that the LED turns on, and our millivolts is very, very low. We have it set to the lowest setting. So as we turn this thing up to a higher voltage, and you can see it changing on the DMM, this LED is going to be harder for it to turn on. You're going to have to get closer and closer.
All right, so here I'm measuring the voltage of the IR photoresistor, and right now the voltage is below the reference voltage from the potentiometer, so the LED is not turning on. But as you move an object closer, that voltage will go up and break the threshold, so your LED will turn on.